Welcome back to TWN Academy. I'm your dietitian Lisa Hayim, dishing out the knowledge you deserve to have about the food you eat. Today we are talking about nutrition for beauty, nutrition for clear skin, healthy hair, and strong nails. Beauty starts from the inside out, and from a nutrition perspective, it really, definitely does. When you eat pure ingredients, whole foods, it shows up on your skin, hair, and nails immediately. The first thing my clients tell me after just 1 week of eating more real food is that they have more energy and clearer skin. In this video, we're breaking down the active components inside New Chapter's Perfect Hair, Skin, and Nail Supplement. I'll also be providing you with a few other favorite foods that you can add into your diet to look and feel your very best. First rule of thumb when it comes to supplements: read the ingredients. They are not all created equal. I scanned the supplement aisle in my nearby pharmacy, and the first thing I noticed is that most of the vitamins marketed for hair, skin, and nails contain gelatin and sugar, additives we simply do not need. When looking for a supplement, any supplement, you want the ingredients to be pure and whole. But you especially want them to be pure and whole if it's a beauty product. The two ingredients inside New Chapter's Perfect Hair, Skin, and Nails are fermented biotin and organic astaxanthin. Probably haven't heard of either of them before. If you've never heard of astaxanthin though, you're going to want to take some notes. It's a really powerful antioxidant that protects the skin and cells from damage. Astaxanthin comes from algae and is found in some marine life that have that red-pink coloring. Animals that have it, like salmon for example, can't make it themselves. They get it from ingesting algae as food. It's extremely high in antioxidants and 50 times stronger than vitamin C, which makes it a powerful fighter against the free radicals that cause the skin cells to age in the first place. Astaxanthin protects our collagen and skin elasticity and has been clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles and improve the texture of the skin. The other ingredient, fermented biotin, supports the natural keratin production. That's the protein that nourishes healthy hair and builds for strong nails. The probiotic fermentation process allows for easier absorption. So with this product, you don't need to take a ton like you do with other biotin supplements. The biotin in this supplement is actually 30 times more powerful in antioxidant activity than typical non-fermented biotin. Inside this supplement, you can also find some of my favorite healing ingredients like reishi, aloe, and chamomile for energy and stress support. I'll link to purchase in the show notes below because I know you guys are going to want to buy. Outside of this supplement, I rely on a few other delicious foods to nourish my hair, skin, and nails. First up, we've got cucumbers. Cucumbers contain an ingredient called silica. Silica is actually the precursor to collagen. That's the protein found in our skin. Next up, we've got raw almonds. Raw almonds contain vitamin E, which is a natural antioxidant that supports the collagen production. Salmon is another favorite, but with salmon, you're going to specifically want to look for wild-caught Pacific sockeye salmon. It's 400% higher in astaxanthin than traditional farm-raised salmon. The farm-raised salmon eats the fake synthetic astaxanthin. Tomatoes are full of an antioxidant called lycopene. That's what gives it this rich red color and protects against aging caused by the sun. Pro tip: lycopene is better absorbed when cooked, so keep that in mind that raw is not always better. There you have it. Load up on a quality supplement and some fresh veggies, salmon, and nuts to look and feel your very best.